fade in on the bustling heart of ancient Egypt, where the goddess Ma'at reigns supreme. She is truth, she is justice, she is the very balance of the universe. Ma'at, with her feather of truth, guides the moral compass of an entire civilization. Imagine a society where each action, each decision is weighed against the feather of Ma'at. A heart heavier than the feather is deemed impure, leading to chaos, while a heart as light as the feather ensures harmony. This is the essence of Ma'at. The concept of Ma'at seeped into every aspect of Egyptian life. It defined their laws, their ethics, and their understanding of the universe. It was the cornerstone of their morality, a compass guiding their journey through life. In the grand scheme of things, Ma'at was not just a goddess, she was a way of life, a philosophy, a testament to the pursuit of truth, justice, and balance. Her influence resonates even today, a timeless echo of an ancient civilization's quest for harmony. So the next time you find yourself in a moral quandary, remember Ma'at. Remember the feather, and ask yourself, is your heart as light as a feather? Fade out and loop